Ever taken down mini twists and ended up with more breakage than growth? This video is for you. Mama, I'm sharing exactly how I gently removed my daughter's mini twist after 4 weeks. No breakage and length fully intact. So it's been 4 weeks and we're finally ready for takedown. Now, mini twists are one of my go-to protective styles, but only when done and taken down properly. Otherwise, you can end up with tangles and unnecessary breakage. So during the 4 weeks, I kept her twist moisturized with a light leave-in spray, nothing heavy because this can cause a build-up and lint the roots. And when I installed the twist, I made sure not to twist all the way down to the ends. This helps to make takedown way easier and minimize breakage. I also avoided borrowing hair between sections when twisting, so now each strand comes apart neatly when I am unraveling. I always start by pulling her hair up into a loose ponytail just to keep everything organized. Then I take one twist at a time, slow and steady wins here, mama. So here's the key part. I gently turn the twist in the opposite direction that I originally twisted it. As I turn, a little gap or loop naturally forms, and while one hand continues to turn gently to loosen the twist even more, I use my 2 fingers on my other hand to stretch that little loop open. This helps to separate the twist easily without snagging or creating tangles. So once I've unraveled most of the twist, I use a rat tail comb just at the base to gently loosen the plaited roots, and then I follow up with my fingers to gently remove the plait. Then I use my fingers to smooth and release any shed hair that has been accumulated over the 4 weeks. And whatever shed hair that I'm not able to get with my fingers, I will get that on wash day when I'm detangling with a brush. This little detangling step makes wash day so much easier later on, mama, by reducing shed hair buildup and tangles. Mama, if you're tired of second guessing your little one's hair care routine and want real tailored support, let's work together one-on-one. My Confident Crown consultation call is designed to take away the overwhelm and give you step-by-step plan just for your little one's hair. I'll help you build a routine that actually works with product guidance, techniques, tips, and the confidence to care for your little one's hair with ease. If you're interested, click the link below this video in the description box and book that call with me. After I've done a few twists, I group that section and loosely twist it back up to keep it tangle free while I move on. Now mama, this is what determines whether your protective style was really protective. No breakage, moisture retained, length retained, and most importantly, her hair was never neglected. Even while it was tucked away in mini twists, I was still caring for it.
Rat tail? Of course not, I'm a rat tail. Why would you think I'm a rat tail? Why would you think I'm a rat tail?
So I forgot the comb, the rat tail thing.
I thought you don't like rats. You're just saying rat tail comb.
That's what it's called.
I think you should use some actual rat combs. And maybe use a wrong race.
What do you want to say to YouTube? Did you enjoy your mini twist experience?
It was fun having having mini twists, first of all, because at the when it was so fresh, it looked so long. But then when months, days, it kind of shrunk because I got curly hair and not straight hair. So
It shrunk because it was moisturized.
yeah, it got moisturized and my mum used spray and it made it shrink.
Ciao.
Ciao.